Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the thread and positioning the spool on the machine. This matters because tension and feed depend on it. Feed the thread into the first top guide and follow the numbered path printed on the machine. These initial guides control smooth unwinding. Once done, pull about 6-8 inches of thread toward the front so you have slack for winding the bobbin and for initial threading. Make sure to use the proper spool cap and not force the thread against the pin. Next, wind a bobbin using the machine's spindle. An even, tight wind prevents jams. After winding, place the bobbin into its case following the arrow or diagram so the thread feeds in the correct direction. Improper insertion alters tension. Pull the bobbin thread through the shuttle slot and then hold the upper thread while turning the handwheel to bring the bobbin thread up. Once the bobbin thread appears at the needle plate, pull both threads toward the back to prepare for stitching. Finally, route the upper thread through the remaining tension discs and take-up lever, then pass it through the needle eye from front to back. This direction stabilizes stitch formation. Lower the presser foot, hold both threads behind the needle, and gently turn the handwheel to make 1-2 securing stitches so both threads seat in the fabric. If you see skipped stitches, looping, or uneven tension, stop, rethread the upper path and bobbin, confirm the presser foot was up during threading, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.